They don't care where you.
Thank you.
Right. So, John and Phyllis Cook got married. Right? That's fine. But get this. They're 100 and 102. Okay. I guess this is our he said, she said segment where we discuss whether, you know, we agree or disagree with certain moves in a relationship. And I guess this will be the first one. So Phyllis and John have got married, and they're 100 and 102 years old. Are you fine with that?
I have absolutely no issue with that.
As neither do me. I mean, if you're happy and you're, you know, in your right mind, then you can make the decision.
I have
Why
no
not?
issue with that.
There are 117 and 142. That would be fine with me. I have no issue with that. Congratulations, Phyllis and John. Good with that. Would you get married at 100 years old? We talked about that this morning.
Would you?
At 100? If I was in love? Of course.
Yeah. Yes, I'm getting married at any age.
If I had my teeth.
Legally.
If I had... I'd be
So if
good.
you don't have no teeth, you wouldn't marry?
I would be slightly concerned about the wedding picture.
They don't close your mouth.
You know.
They don't just close your
No,
mouth.
I'm just joking. I
Yeah.
absolutely would. Absolutely.
I have no issue with that at all.
Yeah.
Happiness is, I don't think happiness have no age. I don't think.
No age.
Yeah, I don't
and
think
really
it-
and truly, you're as young as you feel these days. Anyway. So,
Yeah, I can live with that.
all right. Do we have another scenario?
What about the distance or the difference in age? Say somebody, Richard made a point just now that if somebody, like say the man is 80 and the girl is 35, if you would have an issue
It
with
happens.
that. I know, but would you have an issue with that?
I probably would not do it for myself, but I'm beyond the point where I, you know, say,
What if the woman
if-
was 85 and the man was 37?
go on with it. Go on with it. Go on with it.
Well, at 85, I don't think she could have run too far.
What are you talking about? Look here. Have you seen some 80-year-olds these days and 85-year-olds?
Yeah,
They
man,
look like 60.
there's a gentleman in Jamaica, I don't know if he still does it, but in his 90s, and he was still doing marathons and stuff.
Roy.
Yeah, Roy.
Yeah, I mean.
I don't know if he still does it, but he was doing certainly up to his 90s, up to his 90th birthday, he was still doing it.
Once you're happy, life too short. You're
I
happy
mean
for it.
that. You see, from you're happy and it work for both of you,
Go
run
on
with
with
it.
it. Go on with
Well,
it.
with my bad knee, you know,
News is next.
There's nothing wrong with my knees, by the way. I'm
Just
quite
his
fine.
head. His knee's fine. It's
Break
Superb.
time, we'll soon come back. And she not supported me
Can't believe
as a
Steve.
co-host. Stephen not coming back and smile to me.
That's what you think.
Well,
We'll be right back. Take it now, Sean.
Not with me.